Hey friends, it is Lisa Mason Ziegler here, and I wanted just to give y'all a little example. People often are surprised that we plant straight out into the garden the 3/4 inch size soil blocks, which is what we start the majority of our seeds in, that little block actually is what gets planted out in the garden. And I just thought I'd show you guys a great example. So this is a tray, which is about 5 inches, I think, by 12. This is 60 plants on this little tray. These are Mexican sunflowers, by the way. And they are 16 days old. They're gonna grow for about another 3 to 5 days. If you wanna note the size of them, I like to plant 3 to 5 inch plants out in my garden. And you can see here for scale how tall these guys are. They are right on the verge of reaching that. They'll be hardened off, and then we're gonna plant them right out into the garden. And this is 60 of the little 3/4 inch blocks that have grown in this little tray. And yes, friends, I'm just here to say, look how happy and healthy they are, and they will hit the ground running out in the garden. Soil blocking is the way that we start 98% of all of our seeds. It's quick, it's easy, it is super space savvy, and it grows an amazing transplant. Give it a whirl.